So our problem here is to express the rational function as a sum or difference of simpler rational expressions, and our expression is 1 over x squared times x minus 1. So the first thing we'll do is find the factors of it, which become x squared, and x minus 1. That is because x is a factor of x squared, like 4, 2, and 8 and 1 are all factors of 16. So that's why we get 3 of them. And then what we want to do is make those our denominators first, and then we can put some variables that we'll find out later as their numerators. So we have something that looks like this. The expression is equal to a over x plus b over x squared plus c over x minus 1. Now we want to rearrange it so that we can solve for a, b, and c, which then we'll multiply each term by the denominator of the left-hand side. So we will get something that looks like that, which will turn and simplify out to be 1 is equal to ax times x minus 1 plus b times x minus 1 plus cx squared. And then we can rearrange it, distribute everything. We can get 1 equals ax squared minus ax plus bx minus b plus cx squared. Then we can rearrange it again to get the coefficients of the x terms. So we have 1 equals x squared times a plus c plus x times b minus a minus b. So then we can also put these coefficients on the outside and set the coefficients of the certain x terms equal to each other. So then we'll get x plus c is equal to 0. This x plus c is equal to that 0. And we'll get b minus a equals 0. And minus b will equal 1. So we can rearrange it. So a equals negative c, b equals a, and b equals negative 1. So now we know that b equals negative 1, that means a also equals negative 1, and if negative a is equal to c, or a is equal to negative c, that'll make c equal to 1. Which means, when we plug it back in from that equation, a, b, and c, we should end up with something like that. And that would be some very simpler rational expressions. But are we sure that we're done? Not quite, so we'll just plug it back in to make sure. And so I thought it would be easiest to plug it in back to there, to that one right there, and we'll follow the arrow down. So we get 1 minus x squared plus x minus x plus 1 plus x squared. The x squareds will add out, as will the x's, and we get 1 is equal to 1. That means we're right, and our simpler rational expressions will be that.